हेलो पीपल एंड वेलकम टू शिफ्टिंग गियर्स एंड राइट नाउ मैं चला रहा हूं द 2020 Hyundai Creta। ये क्रेटा का सेकंड जनरेशन मॉडल है, इंडियन मार्केट में ऑलरेडी लॉन्च हो चुका है और प्राइसेस शुरू होते हैं फ्रॉम रुपीज 9.9 लाख और जाते हैं ऑल द वे अप टू 17.2 लाख रुपीज एक्स शोरूम। Hyundai Creta एक अर्बन SUV है एंड दिस इज अ 5-सीटर मॉडल, जैसे कि हमने इस गाड़ी को ऑलरेडी इन इट्स फर्स्ट जनरेशन अवतार भी देखा है। The first generation Hyundai Creta was very popular in our market. That car defined this particular segment. Almost जो भी गाड़ियाँ इस प्राइस रेंज में, इस प्राइस कैटेगरी में compete कर रही थी, they had to fight it out with the Hyundai Creta because this car was just so versatile even in its first generation avatar. ये जो second generation model है, this is also gaining popularity very fast. 55,000 से ज्यादा बुकिंग्स Hyundai ने ऑलरेडी अचीव कर लिए हैं फॉर दिस क्रेटा एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू 5 रीजंस why the Hyundai Creta is the perfect urban SUV and if you are planning to buy a car in the 10 to 20 lakh rupee price bracket, क्यों आपने ये Hyundai Creta कंसिडर करनी चाहिए। The first reason is the dealership, sales and service network. Hyundai का नेटवर्क इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है that maybe in whichever city you are currently residing, you will have a showroom very close to you. You will have a service center somewhere in maybe 15 to 20 kilometers of a radius. Now that is going to give you good peace of mind. अगर आप ये गाड़ी खरीदना चाहते हो, अगर आप कोई भी Hyundai गाड़ी खरीदना चाहते हो for that instance, you will be able to get to a dealership very soon. Unlike some other manufacturers who have been in our market for over a decade, but they still do not have as many dealerships as Hyundai does. So, second to Maruti Suzuki, जब Hyundai Indian market में इतने सालों से available हैं, they are competing in the mass market segment, they do have that reach, they do have that network. तो आपको अपने ओनरशिप साइकिल में ज्यादा एफर्ट नहीं लेना पड़ेगा टू कीप योर कार वेल मेंटेन्ड. सो दैट इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग केस व्हाई पीपल बाय Hyundai cars. And when someone who is spending over $1 million or close to $2 million on a car here in the Indian market, they do consider the Creta because it will give them that ease of ownership, that hassle-free ownership. इसके साथ साथ Hyundai की Creta में आपको Hyundai की वंडर वारंटी भी मिलती है which allows you as a customer to decide आपको कौन सी वारंटी चाहिए. You can get a 3-year unlimited kilometer warranty or you can opt for 4 years and 60,000 kilometers or you can opt for 5 years and 50,000 kilometers for this new generation Creta. तो इसकी वजह से भी आपको ये गाड़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आएगी compared to competition because you get the power to choose what you want to buy. इसके बाद the second most important point which works in the Hyundai Creta's favor is the engine lineup that they have. Hyundai आपको 2 पेट्रोल इंजन ऑप्शंस और एक डीजल इंजन ऑप्शन आज की डेट में ऑफर कर रहा है here in the Indian market. You can get a naturally aspirated 1.5 liter petrol motor which produces 115 PS of power. उसके साथ आपको एक 6-speed manual gearbox ऑप्शन मिलता है and you also have a CVT automatic transmission which you can choose if you want the convenience of an automatic. After that, if you want the Creta to be slightly on the sportier side, Hyundai आपको एक 1.4 liter turbocharged petrol engine भी ऑफर करते हैं that produces 140 PS of power और उसके साथ सिर्फ एक 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission आपको इंडियन मार्केट में मिल रहा है. So that is going to give you that slightly more thrilling driving experience because it just has that much more power. But then if you want the Creta to be a little more fuel efficient, आप इसका 1.5 liter turbocharged diesel motor भी खरीद सकते हो and this produces 115 PS of power, 250 Newton meters of torque and you get a 6-speed torque converter automatic and a 6-speed manual gearbox option. तो इन 3 options की वजह से you as a customer are getting a good platter of what you want to decide, what you want to buy, what you want to drive. So depending on your car usage, किस तरीके से आपको किस सिटी में कैसे ट्रैफिक सिचुएशंस में ये गाड़ी चलानी है, खरीदनी है, you can decide which engine and gearbox option you want to go with. Now these engine options are similar to what the Kia Seltos offers you here in India because Hyundai and Kia have those synergies. लेकिन जब आप competition को consider करते हो, when you consider it to the likes of the Nissan, Kicks, for example, and the Renault Duster, they are only going to be available with a turbocharged petrol motor. So that is a big loss for them. Hyundai कह रहा है that for this second generation Creta, close to 50% bookings which they have managed to get are for the diesel powered variants. So that is a clear indication कि आज भी Indian market में diesel car lovers काफी ज़्यादा quantity में हैं. They are demanding these cars in big numbers, and why should any brand just lose out on that market share? So the engines are a super strong point for the Creta, and they are quite reliable as well. अगर आप कोई भी Hyundai गाड़ी चलाते हो in any particular segment, you are going to appreciate that the NVH package is going to be the most superior in that particular segment. इस segment में भी Hyundai की ये जो Creta है, it gives you a very quiet cabin जब आप ये गाड़ी चलाते हो, and that will definitely keep you happy in the long run. So you should definitely consider the Creta. The third point which makes the Hyundai Creta very very likable is that it is of the right size. जब ये गाड़ी as an urban SUV pitch की जाती है here in the Indian market, it is very car-like to drive. Yes, this is an SUV. You get a slightly higher seating position and it looks a little butch from the outside. ये जो नई गाड़ी है इसके डिजाइन के बारे में काफी कुछ कहा गया था because it generated polarizing opinions in the market depending on how it was looking, considering or comparing it to the older model which was a very conventional SUV design. जब आप ये गाड़ी खरीदते हो, it has enough space, it has very comfortable space for 4 adults inside in the cabin. Even 5 passengers will be comfortable for occasional short drives, but 4 adults and a kid, this will be a comfortable car. Especially जब आप city में चला रहे हो, because of the size that it will be very easy to manage in traffic, it will be very easy to park, and thanks to the light controls, a very light steering wheel, very smooth gear shifting and a super light clutch even on the diesel, ये गाड़ी सिटी में चलाने के लिए भी काफी आसान हो जाती है, and then that will definitely keep you happy throughout your ownership cycle. The next point which makes the Creta very very likable is the set of features. ये जो second generation model है, इसके साथ आपको Bluelink connectivity मिलती है, so you get connected car features. You have an embedded SIM card in the car. You have driving modes. अगर आप Hyundai Creta का automatic variant खरीदते हो, so you have driving modes and you also have traction control modes. So just in case अगर आपको soft off-roading करनी है, if you want to just drive over unknown terrain or uncharted terrain, you can do that. This is not a hardcore off-roader. आपको 4x4 hardware नहीं मिलता है. This is strictly a two-wheel drive car, but you still get those modes. So just in case you are stuck in a tricky situation, you will be able to get the car out. After that, you have the best-in-class feature जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, which is ventilated seats. Indian weather conditions के हिसाब से you can see it is sunny right now. If you are driving out in a car which has leather upholstery, या अगर आपने ये गाड़ी पार्क कर रखी है anywhere, the seats do tend to heat up, and then when you sit on it you are going to sweat, and that is going to make you uncomfortable. Here inside the Hyundai Creta, just turn on those ventilated seats and you are going to be super duper comfortable. Also backing that is the very good AC performance in this Creta, and you also have AC vents at the back to keep the backseat passengers happy. So the features list is definitely setting the benchmark here in the 5-seater SUV category. And the last point which makes the Hyundai Creta the car to beat in this particular 10 to 20 lakh rupees price bracket is the strong resale value. Hyundai की गाड़ियाँ काफी decent resale value command करती हैं. They are so easy to drive, they are so easy to maintain, और dealer network जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया इतना अच्छा है that the cars are going to be running in very good condition for a very long time. So whenever someone is also considering to buy a used car, और अगर आप अपनी Hyundai Creta बेचना चाहते हो, it is going to be picked up very easily. It is the right size, it is an SUV. लोगों को आज की डेट में SUVs ही चलाने हैं, and that is why it will be very easy for you to upgrade to another car and then maybe move higher up in the Hyundai car portfolio. So that's about it. That's what I think are the top 5 points which make the Hyundai Creta very very likable here in the Indian car market. Comments में आप मुझे जरूर बताइए, do you agree or do you disagree? Do you think there is any other competition car which in your books is better than the Hyundai Creta? अगर आपको लगभग 20 लाख रुपए खर्चे करने हैं ऑन अ कार हियर इन द इंडियन मार्केट, will you buy the Hyundai Creta? Will this car keep you happy? Till next time, subscribe PJ Shifting Gears के channel को, press the bell icon, always drive safe, always wear your seat belt, and I'll see you soon.